Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Casita Center of Tech and Science, and this is probably my fourth, fifth time being at this school, first time for this school year of 2023-2024. And it's such an honor to always come back and speak to the after-school program. This is here in Vista, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. And the main focus for today's topic was on bullying and looking at someone's heart first, right? Being able to see someone for who they truly are and see them as human beings, before anything else, right? But our heart is big as our fist. If we can let that love, compassion, peace, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this peace sign. One finger is ourself. The other is someone we're trying to raise up higher than ourselves by how we choose to treat them, hopefully with love. But it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, one breath, one heartbeat, one action, one word, we can, say something so kind that it uplifts someone as high as the clouds, stays on their heart in a positive way forever. Or conversely, can say something so mean and devastating it stays on their heart in a negative way for the rest of their life. And so a lot of students came up to me. Some of them were emotional, some were in tears, just saying, hey, Mr. Peace, I've dealt with a certain issue in my life or with certain people in my life that haven't always shown me kindness and love. But yet I said, look, we can always rise above that hate, and we rise by lifting others, right? And knowing that we can see people for their heart first, maybe it'll change them, maybe it won't, right? We can only love, we can't always change. But if we can see them for that first and for this too, that's a pretty good start, right? I always talk about this in all my assemblies, but all of us with the lines on our hand, I trace one of mine here, have the letter M. That M stands for miracle, have at least one in each hand, and you see it's on my front of my shirt here too. But that M stands for miracle, upside down, W for worthy, right? And so for us to really believe this, to buy into that concept, it's so huge, right? Especially at a young age, because now we not only have that higher self-esteem, higher self-confidence, that higher self-worth, but we can also go on, help other people be the lights of their heart and help them see that they are amazing individuals as well. And so to show that type of unconditional love, to know that healed people heal people, hurt people, but healed people heal people, right? That we always have that choice, no matter what we've been through, have gone through, are going to go through, we can still choose to uplift rather than bring down and tear down. And you think about a building, right? It takes, years and years to build, but then when they end up, knocking buildings down, sometimes takes 2 seconds, right? And for us to kind of compare that to how we treat each other, it's something that has always been on my heart, very heavy on my heart, to know that, for us to build someone up, it can take a while, right? But then to tear them down, sometimes we focus more on the negative, and it only takes a couple seconds. So, where are our actions gonna lie? Where is our inaction gonna lie, right? That are we gonna be that bystander or that upstander? Someone that's gonna, really try to accept everyone, to open our hearts to people that are different than us, and to be a best friend, right? That if we look at people for who they truly are, treat people like we treat our best friend, bullying doesn't really happen, right? Because it's all about the heart. And the students really did take that to heart. So always a pleasure being here. I'll have 2 more visits for this school year on different topics, but love my Casita family and can't wait to see you all again. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.